Assalamu alaikum wa barakatuh. Welcome volunteers to my channel Faisal Azib. Today I will start a new chapter and it will be about an extra feature that we can add to our Android application. For example, this is the first one. I will show you how to add it or how to use Bluetooth in your application. Sorry. Second thing, how to use version control. It's very important this, using Git. After, I will show you how to set up Firebase to your application. And fourth, this one is important, yeah, for a lot of person, how to make a revenue with your application using AdMob. And before to close this chapter, I will show you how to use local notification. You know how to use notification in your when you scroll bar in your phone. And finally, how to use multi-screen mode. So let's start with Bluetooth and how to use it or how to enable it in your application. So for this, I have created a simple project. And to use Bluetooth, we need an adapter that is called Bluetooth adapter. Okay, I will use him in global variable because I will use it in each action I want. So it is called Bluetooth adapter. Yeah, this one, Bluetooth adapter. And now I will check if my Bluetooth is enabled or no. To do this, I will call the method inside Bluetooth adapter. It is called isEnabled, like this. If Bluetooth adapter is enabled, it means my Bluetooth was running now. Okay, and here I will show the toast, for example. More than log toast dot make text, and here I context, and here the Bluetooth is enabled, and here toast dot length and dot show. Okay, if it is not enabled, how I enable it? I will use an intent with some action. Okay, so I will create an intent, new intent, and here I will use class. Where is it? With action. This one. I will give him an action. It is called, I think I have put it here, Bluetooth adapter dot what is action request enable. This one, to enable your Bluetooth in your device. Okay, and after this I will start an activity with intent, and here I will check again if my Bluetooth is enabled or no. Okay, if it is not enabled, it means there is some problem with your device or with your software, some problem. Okay, so if it's enabled, I will also show this. Else I will make can't run the Bluetooth, can't enable Bluetooth, else can't enable Bluetooth, for example. Okay, what we can do also, we can, for example, we can disable it. It's an example. To do this, what we do, I will create a new method. You can create a button, for example, here. Where is a button? Here I will add a button for each action that I will add now. So here, disable Bluetooth, and here the ID disable. I don't put ID, but disable. Voice action is disable Bluetooth. Okay, so to disable Bluetooth, it's very easy. Public void disable Bluetooth. Here, I will just add. I can add view, no problem. I will just add this method, Bluetooth adapter dot disable. Okay, and now we will check. I have some error here. What is the problem? I need another permission as admin. Do you see? I have he told me I need another permission, so I will make it directly from here. Add permission. Okay, and now we'll check my manifest, and you see I have another permission. Okay, so now I can check if my Bluetooth is enabled or no. If it is enabled, it means I can disable it because I don't have permission or anything that not allowed me to do this. If it is not enabled, it means it is action was success. So here I will check. If it is enabled, it means I can disable it. Can't disable Bluetooth, else Bluetooth is disabled. Okay, that's good. That's only what we have. Now what we can do also, we can discover the Bluetooth device that we can connect with them. So how to discover this device? Here I will add another button, for example, also to click to discover device. Device, and here action, where is it? Discover device. Okay, I will make the same thing here. We add another method. Void discover device. So to discover device, I will use another intent with another action. Okay, I will not use an adapter. I will use an intent, this one, but with another action. It is called action request discoverable. This one. Okay. Put what I put, the same thing, please. And you will see it works, inshallah. So now I have shown you how to enable Bluetooth, how to disable it, how to discover the device that we can connect with them. And now what we can do, we can also display a paired device. If my phone was paired with some device before, I have all the list in my phone, so I can show this list. Okay, to do this, I will use another thing also, another button. I will call him display paired device, and here action display paired device. To do this, public void device and here I will use the method in adapter. That is not same with the discover device. I will use the method is called Bluetooth adapter and the method is what is the method? This one, get bounded device, and it returns, as you can see, a set with class Bluetooth device. So I will create this class set oops set of Bluetooth device, this one, and here I will call him device. I will import. Good. Now to display this list, I will make it in the log, is to make a loop inside this list. It is a list. We have seen this before in a Java course. So I will loop for each what I have seen, yeah, Bluetooth device, here device dot device, to display log I device name is, for example, so I have a lot of parameter in my Bluetooth device. I just display the name, this device dot get name. As you can see, I have a lot of parameters, so we use get name. Okay, that's only we have in our Bluetooth. So how to check if the Bluetooth is enabled or no when you run an application? You will use directory is enabled. If it doesn't the case, to enable it, you will use the action request enable in intent, and you will start activity. To disable the Bluetooth, you use a method disable. Okay. To discover which device you can connect with them, use an intent with action request discoverable. And to display the per device, use the method in Bluetooth adapter that is called get bounded device. All the methods are here in my note. Same thing as you can see here. All of them is here. So I put all of this one also in the website. I say when I finish, inshallah, the course. And don't worry about this. And you can repeat. You can run only your application, your device. You can't run it in the emulator. There is no Bluetooth in emulator. Okay. So it is all we need for this topic about Bluetooth. Yes, something, if you want advanced feature about Bluetooth, you can Google what you want, as I said before. It's about your conception. In next chapter, inshallah, I will show you how to use Git about version control, and you will see also it's an important topic to manage your project. Okay, so see you in next video, inshallah. Thank you a lot, brothers and sisters, to follow this course until this moment. Subscribe to my channel. If you like it, also like this video and the previews, share with your friends. I tell you goodbye. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.